Like a good dreamer, State Farm is here. Yeah. Nigga, say nigga. Say nigga. No, not say nigga. Oh! Oh! Chat, why they don't say fuck? God damn it. God damn it. Son of a bitch. God damn it. Huh? I'm wearing other one. I'm wearing other ones. Maybe for the other one. Hey, calm down, nigga. Calm down now. Calm down now. Oh, you what? You're gonna jump down in the cage. You don't have to be up high?
Up high, he might try to fly.
Oh.
He just like takes off. But they're like a bonded gay couple. So
alright, chat, what should we do now? Alright, chat, what should we do now with the birds? What should we do now? Bro, stop saying sell the dog. Free Ian. Bro, keep putting phone up and they're going to start shaking. Oh, they said if you put that finger up and down, they shake.
Maybe some music.
What music? Chat.
I'm gonna take one out.
Take one out. What do you mean?
Him.
Oh,
He's barking.
come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on.
He's like, but there's birds.
Come on.
He just said inward.
Give me, bro. Why you? All right, Chet. What do we do now?
Try to get him to dance.
Get him to dance? Okay.
Yeah.
Some music. Okay.
Chica nigga said make the bird say nigga.
What do you say? Hey! It's that time! Stand up! Portugal! We got Mexico! France, England, Brazil, Belgium, Qatar, Germany, let's play football. World Cup! 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 Cup! It's time to play football! World Cup! It's time to play football! World Cup! Hey! Chat. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, keep screaming. He ain't dancing. He's yelling for help. Oh, it's saying help?
Saying help, they'll be jumping off this thing. They're good.
Yeah, chat, they're good. How do I pet it, though?
No.
I wouldn't pet it. They're not using the pet. They're just used to stick training on the sticks and stuff.
Nigga.
Chica nigga said kill them with one stone seed if it works.
Nigga. nigga, 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 nigga. Ooh, that's you. Nigga, nigga, nigga. Yeah. Ugly? I'm not ugly. You ugly. Ugly ass. Like it's not like they seen like that earning and that 4 grams. Ugly. Ugly. Cook them in this. Bro, I'm not cooking them on the. Shut up, bro. Want a green bean? There you go. There you go. Want a green bean?
He's a messy bird, to tell you that much.
Good stuff. Good stuff.